last couple of years, we are listening how Indian manufacturing is growing, talking about aerospace, defense, very complex machining. We need great machines, and Grob is famous for that. So I am having with me Mr. Naidu at IMTEX, the managing director of Grob India, to talk about Grob's journey and what they have done in IMTEX.
So this IMTEX for us is a special one. Let me start with a small company introduction. Grob started in Germany in 1926. We are almost now 100 years old company, and we already have our headquarters and main manufacturing plant in Germany with 6,000 employees at one work location in Germany. And in addition to that, we had 4 other manufacturing locations in Brazil, USA, in China, and also in Italy. So that makes total 5 production plants. And now, why I said this IMTEX is special for us, though we have started in India in 2007, I was the only employee on payrolls of Grob Germany, deputed to India. But in 2009, we have registered a company called Grob Machine Tools India Private Limited and started recruiting people and growing in this market. All these years, we were providing sales, service, and application support and spare parts support to our Indian customers and also multinational customers who are operating in India using our machines. Now, starting from 2022, we started building our new production plant, which is 6th production plant of Grob in the world in India. And after the plant was inaugurated in 2024 on May 7th, this is the first exhibition. So, it's very important to bring awareness to our customers and also potential existing customers and to potentially new customers that we are not just a sales and service company anymore in India. We are a manufacturing company, and we have set up a full-fledged manufacturing facility in a 20 acres of land with all the world-class manufacturing, assembling, testing facilities, and we are a 100% vertically integrated company following the Grob philosophy worldwide. Anything that we deliver, we manufacture 100% in-house. This IMTEX has brought us a lot of opportunities, and we are very, very successful and sold 22 machines. Okay, 22 high-end 5-axis machining centers is something a remarkable achievement for us. And when it comes to the machine that you can see here in our IMTEX stall, we make only horizontal 5-axis machining centers and horizontal 4-axis machining centers. These are the 2 machine portfolios that we have, and that covers our entire production range, and that feeds 10,000 employees in the company. We are specialized in this, and we have unique configuration of horizontal spindle with 2-axis table and Y-axis table going up and down. This is a very unique configuration. This reduces lot of axis overhangs, almost zero, and you can work with very short tool lengths, which improves your cycle time, tool performance, reduces tool cost, and also increases the quality of the part. So overall, we have a very good and very high-end 5-axis machining center. Of course, it comes with a cost. Okay, we are in the premium segment, but when you calculate your return on investment, within 1 year, the premium that you pay or spend for a Grob machine is recovered. The rest of the life of the machine, you're only making profits. Okay, and most importantly, since we come with supplying machines to a background of supplying machines to automotive industry worldwide for all the OEMs, the technical availability of the machine, uptime of the machine is very, very important for us. We cannot afford a Grob machine to go under breakdown and customer loses production. So the same principle is implemented here in 5-axis machining centers also, and we assure our customers more than 95% technical availability of the machine. To my knowledge, we are the only company who does that.
So actually, I agree with you because on the price factor, because India is very known for the price sensitive market. I had some experience talking to some of the people who were looking for the Grob machine in Delhi. But while the discussions was there, they were coming back to Grob only because that particular operation was not possible somewhere else.
It's quite possible, and we face this what you call issue. quite often. And also we tell some customers, we start where others stop. This is our slogan. So something which everybody can produce in every machine, we have no possibility to go there. And something which they say yes is difficult and maybe may not be, then we say yes we can. That's where our opportunity starts.
So it is great to know that that you are going to manufacture in India, because that also is going to give a lot of strength to us. And you told no, everything is going to be in-house. So there is a lot of technological capabilities India is going to build when you are going to start in India, and I'm very happy for that. Congratulations to you.
Thank you very
to
much.
the management of Grob,
Yeah.
to have that confidence in India that yes, there can be more machines which can be sold in India, so we can make in India, and that also will get some kind of benefit to your customers in India by manufacturing here.
Most important thing that I have to say here, we are a family owned company with 100 years of history, and we are now 10,000 people worldwide with 6 manufacturing locations and more than 20 sales and subsidiaries worldwide, own subsidiaries. And we are doing a turnover of 2 billion euros per year. As much we are active in machining world with 5-axis machining centers, we are also equally active in providing solutions for EV world, electric vehicles world. Thanks to our Grob family, I mean the owner of Grob family, and Mr. Grob, Mr. Christian Grob and Florian Grob, who are the owners of the company, and Florian Grob is our 4th generation owner. Thanks to them, thanks to their dedication and focus in developing new technologies and in reinvesting in the company in R&D, today we can say in many of the segments that we are the world leaders, and we feel proud for it. Second, we have also a very able, dynamic and visionaries in our board of management. Our CEO and chairman of the board, Mr. Wankmiller, German Wankmiller, and Mr. Weber, Wolfram Weber, who takes care of finance and several other procurement and other departments as CFO. And the most important guy, Christian Muller, who is our CSO, bringing all the customers and business to the company.
Christian Muller is kind of a infectious person. When you meet him once, the kind of energy he produces, he's very ground to earth.
Most important thing that I would definitely mention here, family Grob and our board of management has a very clear vision and very clear expectation what is going to happen in the Indian market. We have realized almost 7 years ago that for the next 15 to 20 years, India is the market for every multinational company. So we have decided already 5 years ago that we have to make our investments here. It's not just with sales and service. We have to produce our products here, and when the real boom starts, you are fully prepared to handle it. That is why we have spent 135 crores investment in our first phase of the new plant, and we still have land available for next 4 phases of expansion, and we are already starting with construction of the second phase already. We just inaugurated first phase last year, and now we are getting ready to start second phase of construction. So we have a clear growth plan for India, and we have a clear vision what we want to do and what we want to achieve in this country. Like I said, when I started in 2007, one person, today we are 170 people in India, and with 135 crores investment already made, and we reached a turnover of 25 million euro already. And the first thing what we are doing in the plant, we are getting qualified step by step to Grob Germany quality before we start assembling a machine, producing and assembling a machine in-house. So as part of that, we started our activity, our plant journey from the new plant from February 2024, and as per our plan, by September 2025, we will start with our first machine assembly in-house.
Amazing, sir, and congratulations to you. And as I told you, this is just a start. We will be meeting more to know more about how Grob is empowering the Indian manufacturing. Maybe we will see one day that Grob is going to manufacture in India and send to the other parts of the world.
This starts from September 2025, this year itself. That's what I said. We will start with one particular machine model. We are already fully getting geared up for that. We have started our preparation from 2024 beginning, and after 2 years,
That machine will be also exported.
worldwide. We have no country specific product, one engineering that is done in Germany, and we produce the same product in all 6 plants.
Okay.
There is no separate catalog, no separate brochure, no separate quotation for each country. It is one product which is produced in all plants.
Got it.
And also, very important thing with our new plant, we are trying to create something observing customers where they are facing difficulties. For example, now every machine has a motorized spindle. When a motorized spindle fails, if you have to send it back to Germany for repairs, that's what is happening with all the machine tool manufacturers who are selling machines from foreign countries. They have to send the spindle back to their parent company to get it repaired or refurbished and get it back. We have spent 23 crores to establish refurbishing facility for motorized spindles in our new plant.
There itself.
In the new plant in Satyasai district close to Bangalore. And if a spindle fails after spending 20,000 of machining hours, within 10 days we are able to refurbish and deliver it back with original characteristics of the spindle, original accuracy with 1-year warranty, which nobody is able to offer in India until today. No machine tool manufacturer.
Sir, you also spoke that you are also having electric components which is machined in Grob.
See, like I said, automotive industry is our mother and father. Okay, so we are first choice partners for supplying turnkey solutions, be it machining or assembly, for all the automotive OEMs and major automotive OEMs worldwide, in Europe, in USA, in India, in Asia, everywhere. When the automotive companies started taking transition, moving from combustion engines to electric vehicles, we wanted to also move along with them. We don't want to lose our association because of this transition. We have started our investments in R&D as early as 2012 to get into e-mobility world. We started developing solutions for the e-drive, which is nothing but the e-motor and the e-axle. And inside e-motor, if you go, there's a casing, stator casing, which you have to machine, stator housing, which you have to machine. That's okay, we can machine on the machines. What can we do for stator itself? Then we developed the complete solution, starting from round wire to what you call rectangular cross-section hairpin winding technology, now continuous hairpin winding technology. We deliver complete turnkey solutions for stator and rotor together assembly, motor, and end-of-line testing as it goes into the car. Then we developed also technologies for cell production of a battery to produce cells, cell to module assembly, module to pack assembly as it goes into the car.
Full solution.
Complete solution, start to end. And the most predominant technology for winding, which goes into passenger cars today, is hairpin technology. We are proud to say our market share in the world for hairpin technology for stator winding is 69%. You can imagine when you say market share of 69% in the world. Continuing our discussion, I would like to show you here a 3D printed real model of a hairpin stator line, where you can see each station detailed out to show it to our customers in IMTEX exhibition, what we do for EV World. So the line what you see here is a hairpin stator line, end to end, complete solution, starting from the coil of a rectangular cross-section wire, copper wire, until the stator is completely electric tested and sent to assembly. It starts from decoiling of the copper strip, straightening, cut to length, and hairpin bending stations, and then what you call bunching and assembly before the 2D and 3D bending, and then assembly into the stator core. And then you have also impregnation cells, heating and cooling, and then finally electric test, and the complete stator goes out as a finished.
And
It's completely automated line. We have what you call delivered so far from 2017.
in India,
In India, the first line is getting delivered in July in Pune. We also supply complete line for rotor making.
see, I know you told about the impregnation line. I know that in the engine, because of porosity, there can be a chance. Why impregnation line here?
Impregnation is your varnish. Okay? And we follow a technology that we developed called trickling. So you take the stator with a robo and it's rotating, and we are doing what you call trickling of varnish or the resin. That is what you get here. This is a pouch cell. You have a motor.
This
to
is a
drive-
battery pack.
Yes, to drive the car, but you need power. So we make machines to produce cells, single cells, the complete technology, and from cell to module assembly, module to pack as it goes into the car. So we have developed technology for two types of cells. One is pouch cell, the other one is prismatic cell. So we supply, like you have seen the stator line, we supply complete turnkey line, starting from taking the what you call chemical mixture until making the cell, cell to module, module to pack.
If someone wants to set up a new industry, they come to you, they can set up this.
Yes.
What can be the approximate project cost for this? Just for my idea, just to
It
understand.
depends on how many stators you want to produce, how big is the stator, what is the kilowatt of the stator, yeah, because everything works on the volumes that you want to produce and the capacity of the motor. Similar way, nowadays you must have heard, everybody is talking about gigawatt battery factory, okay. We are the most active company in providing solutions for gigawatt battery plants with our cell production lines and also cell to module assembly lines. We also deliver solutions for assembling the cells for stationary storage, power storage solutions.
So thanks for your time. Actually, a lot of patience you have taken to tell us all this information. I'm sure this will be definitely helping you. This is how we build Atmanirbhar Bharat,
Yes.
local supply chain. So if you want to start a business, if you want to really support India by building these technologies, I think Grob is the place you can go. You just
We are here, we have proven technology, we have established our technology and our products worldwide with all the OEMs, with all the aerospace companies, with all automotive OEMs, even in EV world. So we are here to support the Indian manufacturing and also new companies coming here and looking for new technologies. We are already here, so they don't have to search for solutions. We are available.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.